Hi, my name is Emma Hanquist. I'm an illustrator and I live on the island Gotland, just outside the east coast of Sweden. Today I'm gonna show you my daily routine and I will also show you a little bit about my creative process. So except for my husband and my kids, this is my big love in life, and this is how I get around in our small city. And this is our office space. Me and my friend Maria started this office space for freelancers 2 years ago. It's called Rosa Gården. Here's my space. Looks like an engineer or accountant sitting here, except for this wonderful bloody feminist. That's me. So today I'm doing an editorial illustration for a healthcare magazine, and the article is about nurses that feel stressed out about the coronavirus and how it affects their health and how they handle their worry. Today is production day, which is one of my favorite parts of the project, when it's just about creating shapes, coloring, just adding details. You can just relax, listen to, I don't know, whale sounds if you want, have a cup of coffee. So one thing that I like to do is also to go out and go for a walk during my lunch. It's always good to get some fresh air, get some new energy into your workday. So I'm done at the office and I'm on my way to pick up my children at their schools. So I'm back on my bike again. So one thing that I really like to do is to be creative with my children. And one thing that we really enjoy to do together are books. They have a story and I help them to write it down. Then they make illustrations for it. So it's all about editorial illustration here. A big part of my daily routine is also to go out and get some exercise. I think it's really important to connect your body with your mind and also to go out and get some fresh air and enjoy nature. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get to know me a little bit better, and if you are curious about editorial illustration and want to learn more about it, make sure to check out my course at Domestika, and I'll see you there.